अच्छा, हर सोलो यस, वेरी गुड.
और आगे आइए. Very done.
Very nice lighting, very nice lighting.
नंदी नीचे.
One step back. One step back.
Very nice lighting.
Thank you, ma'am. Wait, madam. Now wait.
Thank you. चलो बैक
Bye.
नाइस लाइट
Island lighting.
Well, guys, this is the finale. There's an after party. Kunal is also coming with us, and there is few small matters. Since I know Kunal for a long time, we meet very often. Now the thing is, Kunal.
We don't actually.
We don't.
We
but
live in
are-
the same building, but we don't.
Anyways, so not many of you know that Kunal Thakur is a total petrol head. She can drift, she can drive, and I am testimonial to that. Kunal, do you want to say something about that?
Well, thank you, because you're the reason at first place who inspired me to try. I remember my first drift was when you were around, and in the end we did.
Something very cool, which let's not discuss.
No, but it was fun because I always thought, you know, as much as feminine I look very sweet thanks to Gauri and Nanika. But I am really, really crazy when it comes to cars. And I'm really happy to be here. And thank you everybody for being here. I was very happy to walk for Gauri and Nanika. It made me feel like a princess, if I can say so.
No, you actually walk like a princess dog walking on the aisle. You're looking gorgeous, of course, clothes are good, you are beautiful. In your career, we have seen you, moving from very closely, like, taking very, very giant strides. You've experimented across genre, Bollywood, South. Now, what phase of your life you get inspired by electricity, by sustainability? Because I know deep inside that you are, like you've said no to a lot of things in technology. So which aspect of you connects very well with it?
First of all, no noise. No noise. Obviously the future.
Silent people make the most noise.
Yeah, no, but when you live in a city like Mumbai, there's so many thoughts and you end up not hearing your own thoughts. And if you ask me, it's no noise, so it goes and blends perfectly with my personality and my the way I look forward to when I choose a project. And yeah, future, I'm very up with tech. Like I like to upgrade myself, and anything that's upgrading is something I went with.
Super. Now, if VinFast is silent, is electric, new car, if there are some attributes that connects with you, what is that? Like, you will say yourself electrifying silent, which doesn't like noise. That's what you will say. Great.
Also the power. Power it is. When you don't have the power, what's the point in driving?
Because EVs have the best torque and they make the most powerful cars. Guys, that was Kunal Thakur, that is Gauri and Naika. Gauri and Naika, we want some words from you guys. What was the thought behind this collection?
मृणाल जी सुनो, एक फोन मीडिया वाइज करना क्विक यहीं पे रुक के जस्ट मृणाल अच्छा मृणाल जी वन
Bye, Kunal. Bye.
चाबी
Good night.
चाबी बंद आप लोग पीछे जाओ
उसको लगा तू
पीछे जाओ
मैं किधर हूँ
गाइस कैमरास आउट प्लीज
हिल गया
प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं
Project है.
Can you tell about today's event?
I think the very fact that technology and fashion have come together was very exciting for me, and Gauri Nanika I'm really excited about. But what was the surprise package was Ajay Kumar. I really like the stuff he put out there on the ramp.
आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताइए.
Actually मैंने अपने टेलीविज़न और फिल्म करियर के बाद हॉस्पिटैलिटी में obviously स्टेप किया, and then now what my pet project is something to do with cancer care, which is global cancer care. I'm very very passionate about it because that is something in India which is very very fearful, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोगों के दिमाग और जहन से मैं कैंसर का फेयर हटा दूँ, ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस और क्लिनिक्स लाऊँ जहाँ पे कैंसर केयर becomes affordable. So my pet project is that, apart from what I'm doing in media. Thank you.
who's asking
Can you tell about today's event? क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप आज?
I feel हमेशा बॉम्बे में कुछ ना कुछ अनोखा होता रहता है, and today I'm here. I love fashion, I love tech, और Exhibit magazine ने एक बहुत ही अनोखा एक रैम्प बिछाया है. I think everyone like Gauri Nanika, Mr. Kumar, they've had very inspirational designs. I look forward to wearing a couple of them. Thank you. Fashion is all about owning your personality, and sometimes wearing something beyond that. Pretty good. I think I just probably, I know which one I want for sure. So it's a great fashion show. Thank you. My upcoming projects, right now there's a very interesting comedy film which is there in the theatres. Please go watch it. And next interview में next project के बारे में बात करेंगे. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Yeah.
देखिए यहाँ पर
सेंटर नाइस फ्लिपर
नहीं इधर नेक्स्ट साइड बस एक मिनट क्या
नायरा हाँ कर लें वो जनता करेंगे जनता
रूही लोग क्या ऐसे टर्न रूही ऐसे
They're all waiting.
वेट
Thank you so much.
उधर ले लेना
नायरा प्लीज कम पीछे से आ जाओ जनता कर रहे हैं रतन जीतू भाई की टीम जनता जनता कर रहे हैं
नारा जी सेंटर थोड़ा टर्न हो जाएगी यहाँ पे नारा जी सेंटर प्लीज नारा जी लेफ्ट
यहाँ लोग क्या
लेफ्ट में कोई
कम
हेलो नायरा जी कैसे हो
मैं बढ़िया हूँ जी, आप बताइए।
बस बढ़िया आपकी का इंतजार हो रहा था
शो स्टार्ट होने में भाग रही हूँ।
हो गया शो स्टार्ट हो गया सब ब्रेक
बाय।
यहाँ लोग क्या
यहाँ पे मैडम इधर सामने
थैंक यू
यस
मैडम लोग क्या
मैं